Hello guys, before proceeding to this video, I recommended you to see my previous video that is also on gradient. Here I'm making a ring gradient or a circle shaped gradient here, and I'm giving name it to the circle background. I click to the OK. Here I'm replacing selector with the shape because I want a shape here. Here's my close bracket. I will enter it and click to space so I can get all the options. I want shape, so I take shape and choose ring here. Now I'm choosing gradient, so my view will visible to you, and giving it to colors because when our circle is built here, the design palette, it will show to you by the colors. I'm giving same color to the all the if you want different color, you can choose according to your color. I'm giving a primary color, you can choose any of that color. Now you need to give more options like angle to 90, and then you need to give gradient radius, that is 40 dp, and one more. You can see here nothing is showing until we all. I have to give type it to radian. That's it. Now we will give come to the shape bracket and give use label to false. See here, now my ring is showing. Now I will reduce the thickness and inner radius, so it will show up to you. By thickness, it will cover all my spaces, you can see it clearly. Now I am giving my inner radius to 0, so it will cover my whole gradient, look like a ring shape. If you want to use it, you have to simply go to background and select the circle background. Here I am giving stroke because in some cases I want outline outside the boundaries, so here I choose secondary color different than the primary. It is a dark blue color and width giving to the 12 dp. As you can see clearly, I will give it to the or more wider, so it will more visible to you. Look at my inner radius, how much it will increasing. You can change everything and check if your shape will change, how I am doing here. See, I have changed angle to 11, but my shape is not changed, so I remove that. Look at this. Now I have make it more wider. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned guys.